When you think about what shapes the future of a region like Balochistan, you might think of politics or maybe industry. But what if the most powerful tool for change is actually a university? Today, we're going to dive into how one university, BUETK, is doing just that, engineering a new future, one student at a time. Right in the heart of Balochistan, there's the Balochistan University of Engineering and Technology in Khuzdar, or BUETK for short. And it's so much more than just a school. You can think of it as an engine, one that's designed to power the province's development by giving people the exact technical skills and innovative mindset they need to build a stronger tomorrow. So what makes BUETK tick? What makes it so special? To really get a handle on its impact, we need to look at its foundation, where it is, who it's for, and the specific mission that drives everything it does. First up, let's talk location. Being in Khuzdar isn't just a pin on a map. For BUETK, being right there in the heart of Balochistan is absolutely fundamental to its mission of serving the local community and really the entire region. Okay, so let's get a quick snapshot of the university. There are a few key facts that really give us a great picture of the institution and what it's all about. So this place has been around for a while. It was established way back in 1987. That means it has decades of history, graduating class after class of engineers and tech experts who've gone on to make their mark. This table here, it tells a really critical story. First, it's a public university in Khuzdar, which grounds it right in the community. But look at the accreditations. It's recognized by both the Pakistan Engineering Council and the Higher Education Commission. That's a huge deal. It means its degrees carry weight across the country. It's a stamp of quality that really matters.
So how does BUETK actually achieve its mission? Well, it all comes down to its academic engine, a really powerful range of engineering and technology programs that are designed to meet the region's specific needs.
At the undergrad level, the Bachelor of Engineering, or BE, is really the traditional backbone of what the university offers. And look, this isn't just your standard list of degrees. Of course, you have the foundational stuff like civil and mechanical, essential for building infrastructure. But then you see fields like energy systems and computer systems engineering. This shows you it's an institution that's looking forward, training students for the industries of tomorrow. But it's not just about traditional engineering. BUETK also has a really strong focus on the digital world, offering Bachelor of Science programs that tackle the tech sector head-on. I mean, think about our economy today. It runs on code and data, right? With degrees in computer science, IT, and software engineering, BUETK is directly training the workforce that can build apps, manage networks, and drive that digital innovation, not just in Balochistan, but everywhere. And for students who want to go even deeper, the journey doesn't have to end with a bachelor's degree. BUETK provides a really clear path for specialization with its postgraduate programs. Here we see master's programs that let students do a deep dive into these key engineering fields and computer science. And this is absolutely vital for developing local experts, the researchers and future educators for the entire region. All these programs are pretty impressive, but at the end of the day, they're just tools. The real question is, what is BUETK trying to build with them? The university's vision goes way beyond just academics. It's about shaping society itself. The university's vice-chancellor, Dr. Maksud Ahmed, he puts it perfectly. The goal isn't just to produce engineers. It's about cultivating creativity, sparking innovation, and really developing the next generation of leaders. And here's that mission, laid out plain and simple. That key phrase, socio-economic uplift, that's everything. And notice the laser focus on its home province. This isn't just education for the sake of it. This is education with a clear, tangible purpose. Now get this number, because it's a real game changer. 70%. That's how many BUKT students get financial support. This isn't just a data point. It's a declaration. It says that a student's potential, not their family's bank account, is what truly matters here. And here's the result of that commitment. This is the payoff. Over 3,500 graduates are now out there working in organizations all across the globe. This shows the real-world impact of the university, sending skilled professionals from Balochistan out into the world. Okay, so we know what BUKT does, but just how significant is it? To really understand that, we need to kind of zoom out and place it in the bigger picture of education in Balochistan. To put it simply, it's a cornerstone. As one of the very few public engineering universities in the entire province, BUETK's success is fundamentally tied to the future of Balochistan itself. When you see it listed here among the other major public universities, its specialized focus on engineering and tech really stands out. Each of these institutions plays a role, and BUTMK's role is to build the technical foundation for the whole province.
So, how can one university shape a region's destiny? Well, by being more than just a university. By making education accessible to 70% of its students. By training engineers, not just for jobs, but for a mission of socio-economic uplift. BUTK shows us that to build a future, you have to start by building the builders.